Sennelier Blue Indigo, Bleak Metallic Teal, Sennelier Cobalt Teal, Basic Gold, Sennelier Vermilion, and Liquitex Heavy Body Alizarin Crimson Hue Permanent. I'm going to use a small amount because I only need like 5 ounces of paint, so a small amount of each of this color. Hopefully you can see this. It is a tiny bit thick, but you see how it disappears. Let me put it like this. Okay, so that's the consistency that you want, and I'm gonna put only 1 drop of silicone because I don't have too much paint in here. The heavy body acrylic was thicker than the Sennelier, so I added twice the medium and then a little bit of water, but on the Sennelier I only added twice the medium and no water. I think they're thinner than the heavy Liquitex heavy body. Okay, so I made the executive decision of taking the white out because I have too much paint, and I think it's gonna be prettier without the white. It is important that we fill the inside holes, and since I use all the color, I don't think I have enough with the colors, so I'm gonna try with the colors that I have left. If not, I'm gonna bring that white that I put aside. I don't wanna bring the white. So let's try first with the colors that I have left, and I'm gonna fast forward this, okay? Okay, let's do this flick cup. Wait a few minutes in here until the colors go down. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so hopefully it will be pretty because I don't like what happened in there. These are very expensive paints. So I'm going to start eliminating that in there. Let's move it this way, this way, this way. Okay. Now this is gonna be completely different when it dries because it has a lot of metallic colors. So we have to wait until this dry to really know what it looks like. So this video I will not put it until I'm not gonna put this video until this has dried. I think it's gonna be pretty. These were both done with the same paints but different recipes. This is my all pre-medium recipe, but I forgot to put the Sargent, so you know it's not the real medium that I used to use. Notice that also the numbers have not opened too well like these ones. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use an X-Acto knife and open those holes so that people can see the numbers better. It does have a lot of metallic colors, and you can tell in this one. I think this one is gorgeous when it is resin. It's gonna have more depth to it. It has lots of metallic colors and transparent colors. Since they were metallic colors, most of them, the cells are not as defined as when you combine more opaque colors with them. I think that was the reason, because this is a recipe that I have used many times. It's a glue recipe that I like, but the colors were mostly metallic and transparent. I think there was only one opaque colors and all the others were transparent colors. But it is still very, very pretty. It doesn't have luster, but it has the shine of the metallic paints. And it will be resin. And in this one, I think what I don't like is that section of darkness in there, but the colors are not bad. And I'm sure it's gonna look very pretty once it has been resin. So this is it. This one has metallic colors. It's very pretty.